All right, let's do this. 5 places to find popular and trending recipes. You ready? Let's get set, go. Number 1, Fresh Bites blog. This is a blog by the team at All Recipes, and the basic gist behind this blog is once a week or so, they post a blog post that has insights into different data that they get from allrecipes.com, and it's really helpful stuff. If I click on this top one here, you can see this top highlight. They say blueberries, apples, tomatoes, and green beans captivated all recipes home cooks last week. They give the dates, and then they give some additional information here, some pictures of trending recipes, things along those lines. Super helpful blog. That's called the Fresh Bites blog. Along those lines, if you look down in the bottom right of the sidebar, at least when this video was recorded, there's something called the monthly measuring cup. If you click over there, you can see that it's not actually monthly, but about once a month, or more recently, it's been every few months. All Recipes will publish the monthly measuring cup. And essentially, it's a PDF document, a newsletter that is released, and it has all of this information and all of these insights into different trends that they are seeing in All Recipes. And it's super, super helpful stuff. So I'm not going to go through this one, but just so you know, that resource is available, and it's a great way to find trending recipes and popular recipes. That's from All Recipes. Second, Google Trends. This one is really awesome. I'll show you how it works here. Let's use applesauce as an example. I'm going to type that into Google Trends, and I'm going to click search, and it's going to show me this search trend for the term applesauce. Now, this isn't saying how many searches there have been. It's showing you how popular that search is relative to other searches. So you can see in October of 2011, it was really, really popular. It goes on a scale from 0 to 100. But I like to use this in the past 12-month category. And if I do that, you can see the exact week where the term was most popular in the past 12 months. If I scroll down here, another thing that's really cool is you can see the top search terms. In this case, it's applesauce recipe. And then you can also see rising terms, terms that are on the rise relative to what they were in the past. So these might be things that are kind of trending that are worth checking out. That's Google Trends. Number 3, Pinterest. Pinterest has a couple areas where you can find things that are really popular. The first is Pinterest's just popular category. It's pinterest.com/all/popular. This is going to include things like fashion or really anything from Pinterest. But as you scroll through, you'll see a lot of the posts are actually food-related posts. So not only is this a great way to get some ideas for recipes that are popular, but it's also a really good place to get ideas for how you structure your images. For instance, we've seen a lot of these lately where it's a stacked step-by-step. And those are really popular on Pinterest, and you can tell by going to the popular page and scrolling through that. Another kind of fun one to look through is the top pins from 2013 in the food and drink category. And you can see that by going to the top pins of 2013, which is just 2013 top pins. And then this will be all of the top pins in Pinterest or from Pinterest. And then they have tasty recipes area here. You can click on that, and that will bring you to all of the top pins from 2013. You can kind of get an idea of the things that were most popular. So that's pretty cool. Number 4, the bestsellers list from Amazon. Now, not only does this give you a general idea of different trends that are happening with recipes, but if you click into these books, you can actually take a look in the book itself and get an idea for some of the different recipes that they are posting about. So if I scroll down here, you can see in the Skinny Taste cookbook, which looks like an awesome cookbook. Eventually, it'll get to some of the recipes, and hopefully this can be the kind of thing that can maybe inspire you to create a certain type of recipe or just give you some ideas as you scroll through these cookbooks. And if you are in a really generous mood, you can go ahead and just click the order button on that and buy the cookbook. It's the ultimate way to get inspired, is to actually look through it. Number 5, the popular recipe pages on popular recipe sites. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, an example is All Recipes here again. They have a page called the highest rated recipes. And if you go to this page, you can scroll through and you can see the most popular recipes of all time for All Recipes. Now, there are other sites like Food Network or myrecipes.com, Epicurious. There's all these different recipe sites that have similar pages like this. And it's a great place to go to get inspired, to get some ideas for your next recipe. recipe and to see which recipes are trending and popular. That's a quick look at 5 places to find popular and trending recipes on the web. A couple things before we wrap up. Number 1, if you are a blogger, you should download this ebook. It'll be really helpful for you so you don't make these mistakes. It's called 10 Mistakes That Bloggers Make and How to Fix Them. You can find that at foodbloggerpro.com/ebook. And number 2, we'd love it if you subscribe to our channel, youtube.com/foodbloggerpro. Thanks for watching.